Hey, boss. Can I ask you questions? Uh, okay. I want to ask you what happened.
Yeah, no, I can't do that.
You can do that?
No, there's a public information correspondent over there for the police department, fire department. You can talk to them about the information.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
What's his name?
This is the fire department here. I don't know. What
Okay. Can you... Oh, I just want to ask you what happened. Do you have any information about what's happening right now?
We just had an explosion in an apartment, and we are working with the Austin Police Department to investigate what happened. And because of the explosion weakened a structural wall, that's why the guys behind me are building supports to support up the wall.
About what time today that happened?
About right before after 10 a.m. About
After 10 a.m.?
About 10:15.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Matter of fact, right here.